Jah could never give the power to a ballad. So I man see down panny black and I am mates. See down panny black and I am mates. I man see down panny black and I am mates. What going on the world, yeah? So I man say greetings, you know. Never's Imperial Majesty, King Jesus Christ. Jah over Jireh. Welcome to Meds. So I sit down on the black and iron meds, you know. Them say Valentines. Yeah. So when them say Valentines. But I look at it and I say rough times, Rasta. Expensive times. If you really like to take on them Valentines, you know. But I get caught up in the Babylonian system. Because I them want the eye to spend more money than I have in an eye pocket. The few shillings where I work over the last couple of months, I spend it off in one day, Rasta. And I show an eye queen affection every single day. And I them feel like say things with I them buy. I can make the love grow and I make the love flow. And I want the eye them meds say, you know. Show your empress love every day. Cause Jah say, and I must love and I empress. Like how Jah love the church, you know? So and I want to show and I empress love every single day. And I don't need them Valentines. For sure say and I love and I empress. You dig? Me not follow the crowd. Meds. Now next thing and I meticulously scrutinize, you know? Them have this little boy fly up and down all over the place and I'm dressed, call himself Cupid. But I have a message for this little boy named Cupid and him arrow. Say, if you ever think you're bright, why come shoot me just cause of Valentines? Oh, listen to me. Take your bow and arrow and don't come ramp with me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You don't know. I don't take no boy, no arrow, no shot from a little boy and a dress.